Whirlpool washer common causes of F21 error. The F21 error code on a Whirlpool washer signals a drainage problem. This error stops the washer from finishing its cycle. Understanding the common causes helps fix the issue fast. Below are the main reasons why the F21 error happens. Drainage issues. Drainage problems often trigger the F21 error. Water cannot exit the drum properly. This stops the washer from draining and spinning. The machine then shows the error code to warn you. Blocked pump. The water pump moves water out of the washer. If debris blocks the pump, water cannot flow. Small objects like coins, lint, or fabric bits cause blockages. This leads to the F21 error code. Faulty water pump. A broken or damaged water pump cannot drain water. Electrical or mechanical faults stop the pump from working. A faulty pump triggers the F21 error. It may need repair or replacement. Clogged hoses. Drain hoses carry water from the washer to the drain. Dirt or buildup can clog these hoses. Blocked hoses prevent water from draining. This causes the washer to display the F21 error.